I'm afraid I'm going to have to leave you after this next song, ladies and gentlemen. I'll do you one more. Or a couple, I don't know. Whatever. But ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure to sing for you and sing with the guys here. My name's Craig Jefferson, also known as Elvis. Okay, I'll stay. I'm Elvis Presley, and I just came back, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, just for the night. And this is one of my favorites. This is called My Way. Thank you. Now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life as full, I've traveled each and every highway, worn much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway. Oh, no, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I've been old, more than I can chew. But through it all, there was doubt. I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For wild is a man, what has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the words he truly feels, and not the words the one who lives. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.